He's my not friend. He's my brother, like this guy also. No, but Ismail and me has different relationships. So every day we are talking with each other, and also I asked him before I came to Kelba what he think about to come here, what his opinion about it. So really, I can say to him he's the best guy for me. What can I ask? I don't know. Where is my watch? He doesn't know. I will bring his watch straight to him.
انت ما شاء الله حتى علاقتك مع اللعيبه، هو يقول اسماعيل لاعب خلوق وانت اللي شجعته انه هو يجي لدوري الامارات، وسالك عن الساعه بعدين.
لا هو هو الموزع مالنا هذا.
ها؟
هو
يجيب ساعات، يبيع ساعات.
اي شيء تبغاه على طول. على طول هو المروج الاول هذا.
من وين يجيب الساعات؟
من المجر.
يعني